Solvation tendencies. All the simple salt dissolve in water and produce its ion, and therefore the solution conduct electricity. Now lithium plus ion is small in size, and it might be expected that the solution of lithium salt would conduct electricity more than the solution of same concentration salt of sodium plus, potassium plus, rhodium plus and cesium plus ion. This is because the small ion should migrate more easily than the larger ion, and therefore they conduct electricity more than the larger ions. However, the ionic mobility measurement in aqueous solution show the result of opposite order on the basis of size. The lithium plus that is expected to be having the maximum ionic mobility, but actual practice it has been seen that the maximum ionic mobility it is shown by the cesium plus, and it will decrease in this format. The reason for that, the main reason for this anomaly is that the ion in solution do not exist as a bare ions but are hydrated or in the solvated form. The solvation must be considered of two types. The first one is the primary solvation cell. In this case, some molecules are attracted by the metal ion and get bounded to it, forming a complex. The molecules directly coordinated to the metal ions. Let us consider the example of lithium ions. In this case, the primary solvation cells consist of 4 tetrahedrally coordinated water molecules along the lithium ions, and it can form a complex with lithium with 4 water molecules, and this is called hydrated ion and behave as one entity. Similarly, in case of sodium plus and potassium plus ion, it may also have 4 coordinated primary shell, and on the other hand, in case of rhodium plus and cesium plus, it can form 6 coordinated shell and having 6 water molecules. In the primary shell, the solvent molecule are bounded to the metal ion by the electrostatic force of attraction, and it is very much clear from the alkalis metal they are bearing positive charge and attracted by the water molecule through oxygen, that is with the negative band. Similarly, secondary solvation cell. Beyond the primary solvation cell, additional layer of solvent molecule are bound to the primary shell, which further solvated the ion. The extent of secondary solvation appear to vary inversely with the size of the bare ion. Thus, with increase in the radii of the ion, the total hydration number, hydrated radii and hydration energy decrease. The extent of hydration decrease from lithium to cesium, and therefore the hydrated radii and hydration energy decrease from lithium to cesium. As a result, hydrated radii decrease and ionic mobility increase. Thus, the lithium ion having the maximum hydrated energy and move slowest, while cesium plus ion is least hydrated and move fast. Therefore, the ionic mobility decrease in this order. So let us compare their hydrated radius, hydration number, hydration energy and ionic mobility with ionic radii in case of alkalis metal. So it is very much clear from this table. As we move down in the group, the atomic size that will increase. The lithium will having the least ionic radius and cesium plus will having the maximum ionic radius. So in case of hydrated radius, due to the smaller size of lithium, it will having the maximum hydrated radius, and the hydrated radius, it will going on decrease as we move in the down group, and it will be the least in case of cesium plus. Similarly, the hydration number, it is maximum in case of lithium plus, and it will also going to decrease as we move down and having the least value for the cesium plus. In case of hydration energy, the maximum negative value that is belong to the lithium plus, and the minimum negative value that belongs from the cesium plus. So due to the smaller size of the lithium plus, it will having the maximum hydrated radius and hydration number. So in this case, the ionic mobility that is the least, and the ionic mobility that is maximum in case of cesium plus. Similarly, the alkaline earth metal, ion being smaller in size as comparison to the alkali metals and are hydrated to greater extent. This is not only because of their smaller size, but also due to their increased charge. In case of alkali metal, they are having the single positive. In case of alkaline earth metal, they are having the two positive ions. As a result, the hydration energy of alkaline earth metal ions are about 4 to 5 times greater than those of alkaline earth metal. However, the hydration energy decrease as we move down in the group with increase in size of the ion, and it is similar to that of alkali metal. So it is very much clear from this table. The beryllium 2 plus, it will having the minimum ionic radius, and as we move down in the group, the ionic radius that will increase. The barium 2 plus having the maximum. So hydration energy with maximum negative value, it belong to the beryllium 2 plus, and the least value it belong to the barium 2 plus. So in case of alkaline earth metal, the maximum ionic mobility that will be shown by the barium 2 plus ion, and least ionic mobility that is shown by the beryllium 2 plus ion. So it is all about the solvation tendencies of alkali metal and alkaline earth metals.